during the pandemic, like we were all still here, and I just had a lot of cases where people were coming to me, they were getting depressed, they were, getting emotionally down, like they were locked in, a lot of youth, a lot of women. I was like, what helps me is sports, working out, like how can I do this? Didn't really feel qualified because I couldn't even do one push-up when I started. But like always in the Bible says, Jesus, God, helps the unqualified and to do extraordinary things. It's just something that I've always felt like I had in my heart, like working with young girls like I felt, and making them feel like they can do something. So sports has always been our thing. Evelyn's the one that talks and everything.
Hay problemas de depresión, hay problemas de ansiedad. Hay muchos niños que yo conozco que han sido abusados sexualmente, han sido golpeados por sus padres, ¿no? Y a veces en la iglesia ellos buscan, amor, pero no encuentran ese amor. Isabel es una adolescente de 17 años. La mamá de Isabel, Lisette, se había separado con su esposo. Esto de alguna forma había afectado a Isabel, que estaba también sufriendo con depresión, ansiedad y angustia. Entonces, estando ella acá, y hacemos reuniones acá en Runasimi, o hacemos también reuniones en la iglesia, le empecé a invitar para que ella pudiese compartir con nosotros. Y ella estuvo compartiendo, ella estuvo tratando de poder cambiar su visión acerca de lo que ella tenía. Todavía tiene luchas. Sin embargo, hubo un momento en que ella sí decidió aceptar a Cristo en su corazón. Está batallando constantemente con estos problemas de ansiedad, depresión. Entonces nosotros tratamos de darle apoyo emocional, orar por ella. Y sigue siendo difícil, sin embargo, veo que poco a poco ella está caminando y quiere, ¿no?
I think the main goal for us is the spiritual health for them through the physical health. We would love to see having the current students that we have as trainers sharing with the new ones what they learn through Jesus, what Jesus gave them, and how He saved them.
Have this thing, the closer you are to fitness, if you get sick or you have an injury, you won't be well in sickness. You'll just have something that kind of keeps you, like you want to start all over. Like it helps you. So it's the same, like I say, in the Christian life is similar. Like if we are pointing towards Jesus, striving to be more like Him, the closer you are to Him, if you go through these difficulties in life or someone hurts you, you're going to be able to forgive easier. You're not going to live angry or bitter, and because you know what Jesus did for you. The closer we are to Jesus, we will fight depression, we will fight all these different things that can come to us in life.